How to use SeatGuru to find the best airplane seat. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can use SeatGuru to find the best airplane seats. So kindly watch till the end and follow along. The first step is to visit SeatGuru on your web browser, just like I've done here. And so once you're on the SeatGuru's page, the next step is to enter in your flight details, because you'd have to find your flight in order for you to select a seat. But before then, by moving to the section where you see option seat maps, shop flight, ensure you're on the seat maps tab, right? And then go ahead and find your flight. And how do you find your flight? Select your location, select your destination, okay? But okay, choose shop flight, ensure you're on seat maps, just like I said. So by clicking on seat maps, you'll be asked to enter in your airlines. So which airline did you use to book your flight? So let's say, for example, I made use of Airpeace. I'm just going to type that out now. Airpeace. All right, and then enter in your dates. When is your departure date exactly? Then enter in your flight number in here. So after clicking on your flight number, after entering your flight number, move to the right side and click on find. Okay, by clicking on find, um you'll be taken to the page where your flights will be displayed. And so once you're on your page, SeatGuru will display the seat map for your flight. And the seats are color coded to indicate their quality. So we have color green for good seat with extra leg room, recline, and other perks. We have yellow seats with some drawbacks, such as limited recline or proximity to lavatories. And then we have the red seat to avoid, okay, because the rest that you have to avoid due to significant issues like no window, like limited leg room, or being near the galley. So once you can see, it's just over those any seats to see detailed information about the seats, including comments from other users. You'll see the seat guru will help you display everything, and they use the seat map to compare different seats and choose the best one for your preferences. Now, I cannot show you this vividly because so far I have not made or not booked any flights. I'm just doing this and as an example for you. All right. So just go ahead, enter in your airline, the airline that you used to book the flight. Okay, then enter in the date, enter in your flight number, click on find. Once you're on your once you click on find, the seats for that particular airline would be displayed. Okay, for that particular flight will be displayed by seat guru. All right, the seat map will be displayed. So ensure you select the seat, and I will advise that you select the seats that are either coded with color green or yellow. Do not choose the one with color red. Okay, and then select the one you want and you are good to go. So this is how you can use SeatGuru to find the best airline seat. So ensure you put it to practice and check it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.